Hi friends, I am back with a new video that I have been promised you earlier that I will be back with the greetings and salutations in the French. जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं आज आप लोग के सामने 20 वर्ड्स जो कि लेकर आया हूँ जो कि ग्रीटिंग्स एंड सैल्यूटेशंस में यूज होते हैं जनरली एंड और भी सारे वर्ड है जो कि मैं अगले पार्ट्स में कवर करूँगा बट देयर आर मोर इम्पोर्टेंट 20 वर्ड्स इन दिस पार्ट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर राइट। तो शुरू करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा जो वर्ड्स है वो हमारा है गुड मॉर्निंग और हेलो दैट what is the meaning of good morning and hello in the French translation words, right? So in the French translation the meaning of the good morning and hello is the bonjour. It will pronounce it as bonjour, bonjour. And good morning or hello will be pronounced as bonjour. Just take your time and just repeat yourself after pausing the video. Bonjour, bonjour. The good morning means bonjour. And now coming to our the next words, the good evening. The good evening. Good evening means bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Yeah, the good evening means bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Right. Just speak it 3 to 4 times. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Yeah. And the third one, we have how it is going or how are you. There are two types of words that you can say that how it is going or how are you, both have the same meaning. That and in the French it will be pronounced as kumasawa, kumasawa, kumasawa. Right. Just speak 3 to 4 times as I am telling to you. Just speak it. Kumasawa, kumasawa, kumasawa. Right. Then coming to our the next word which means hi. Hi. In the English it is called hi and in the French we have the meaning salut. 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 Right. Just speak it 3 to 4 times. Salut. 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 Yeah, because we have just discussed about the pronunciation in the French alphabet in the earlier classes. If you want, then you can refer to those classes, the part 1 and part 2. And another one we have good night. Good night. Yeah. The another thing that we have good. Good means bonne. Bonne. Yeah. Bonne. Yeah. The good means the word it represents the bonne. Right. Then we have the good night. Bonne night. Bonne night. Right. Bonne night. Just like this. You will have to repeat that. Bonne night. Bonne night. 3 to 4 times. Good night. That bonne night. Right. And coming to the next part, we have six that we just abbreviated somewhat with Mr. or Mrs. like this. So the Mr. words, which means in the English there is a Mr. and in the French we have Monsieur, Monsieur, right? The word Mr. means Monsieur, 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 because the S will be delivered as Sue, I will be delivered as E, and E will be delivered as EU, EU. Just like the previous lecture I have discussed it all, you can refer to them. Monsieur, Monsieur. The Mr. will be delivered as Monsieur. And coming to the next word, we have Madam. Madam in the English, it will be in French like Madame, Madame, right? The Madame, Madame, Madame. The D will be delivered as D, Madame, Madame, right? The coming to the eighth word, that means have a nice day or good day like this. Then when the word good or nice will become, then the word boon will always become, right? So bunzorni, 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 right? Have a nice day means bunzorni, bunzorni. And coming to the next word, that will be nine happy new year. That simply means banane, 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 right? Just like as you will pronounce it as banane, banane, banane. The happy new year will pronounce it as banane, banane. And the 10th one we have a nice evening. Have a nice evening means let's have a nice evening. We have been this word will be pronunciated as passin bun soirée, passin bun soirée, passin bun soirée, passin bun soirée. Right. So we have covered all the 10 words and the remaining 10 words are also there, but I want to just revise it all one by one, just repeat it once more time so that we can just deliver all the things in this lecture in the right manner, right? The good morning or hello will be delivered as bonjour, 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 right? And second one, the good evening will be delivered as bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. And third one, how it is going. How it is going means how are you or how it is going. It will be meaning as the same word, and it will be delivered as kumasawa, 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 right? And fourth one is hi. Hi will be delivered as salute, salute, salute. The T will be just to we can avoid the here salute. Just you can just read it like this by wording the T salute. And five one is good night, good night. Five one is good night. When the good come words will become, then boon will become the bune nai, the bune nai, right? Just like this, good night, bune nai. And sixth one is Mr. The sixth one is Mr. we have, and it will pronounce it as Monsieur, 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 right? And seven one is Madam. Madam will be pronounced as Madame, Madame, Madam, right? Madam. Just repeat it 3 to 4 times. And eighth one is we will have a nice day. Have a nice day will be pronounced as Bunzone, 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 right? Ninth one we have Happy New Year. Happy New Year will be pronounced as Happy New Year will pronounce it as just like the banana, just banana. The will be just shut down and the right banana, banana, and yeah, the banana has been done. And the tenth one is have a nice evening. The have a nice evening will be delivered as Passin bun soiree, Passin bun soiree, Passin bun soiree, right? And coming to the next word, we have see you later. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, 11th one we have see you soon. See you soon will be delivered as absonto, absonto, absonto. Right. Just speak it 3 to 4 times. You will be just get it by heart. Absonto, absonto. And 12th one will be see you later. See you later will be delivered as apiata, apiata, apiata. Right. Apiata. See you later. And 13 one will be see you tomorrow. The see you tomorrow will be delivered as adimen, adimen, right? The see you tomorrow will be delivered as just like adimen, adimen. And 14th one we have farewell. The farewell will be delivered as you, right? As you. 14th one will be farewell. Farewell will be delivered as you. 15th one is welcome. Welcome will be delivered as Bienvenue, 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 right? Bienvenue will be for feminine. Sorry, yeah. Bienvenue will be for feminine here, and bienvenue here. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, my screen it will pronounce it. Yeah, bienvenue. And another one we have 16. 16 is bye. Bye will be delivered as. And here the one we have by will be delivered as uhuwa, uhuwa, right? Uhuwa, uhuwa. And 17th one we have please. Please will be delivered as s'il vous plaît, right? S'il vous plaît. And 18th one we have thank you, and it will be delivered as mercy, Messi, right? Messi, the Barcelona footballer player. Messi, just remember it, and it's the same meaning as the thank you. And 19 one we have fine. Fine will be delivered just like it is written, bien, bien. The N will be treated as the silent bien, bien, right? And 20th we have very well. Very well means très bien, très bien, right? So I think we have covered all the things, and yeah, I'm going to just repeat it once more from 11 to 12 because I have just revised 1 to 10. The see you soon means absonto. The 11th one we have absonto, right? And 12th one we have see you later. It will be delivered as epiata, epiata, right? And see you tomorrow. See you later will be delivered as epiata. And 13 that is see you tomorrow. It simply means eduma, eduma, right? E will be delivered as you, eduma. And 14th one we have farewell. 14th one we have farewell. It will be delivered as you, right? And the 15th one we have welcome. Welcome will be delivered as bienvenue. Bienvenue. It will be different for the feminine and masculine. If E will be just differentiate between them. And the bye will be delivered as au revoir, au revoir, right? And 17th one we have please. Please will be just like delivered as it is written, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, right? 18th one we have thank you means merci. 19th one is fine, fine means bien. And 10, 21, 28th means very well, that means très bien. Right. So I think we have delivered all the things or the 20 words that has been spoken frequently when someone greets each other. So coming to this lecture, we have completed all the 20 words. So hope you will get all the things and this lecture. And I will be back with then again with the 20 more words which are been frequently used in the French language. So I hope all the things will be done in a good manner and fluent manner, and you will just understand all the things. So thank you guys, thank you for your support. So if you like the channel or like the video, so please like it and subscribe it. Thank you all.